Hi, subscribe my channel, be awesome. Today I'm gonna unbox this Hero 7 Silver GoPro camera. It has screen, touch screen, and as you can see, previous generation don't have, Hero 3 don't have touch screen, and it has 10 megapixel inside, 4K 30 frame per second, voice recognizing, 33 feet, 10 meters underwater recording without any box, any case, and it has slow motion, it has time lapse, this is awesome. It has GPS navigation, double WHATCH system inside. Digital stabilized system. I did some video shooting and I can say that stabilizer work very good. Yes, it's not too much stuff inside of this box versus previous generation camera Hero 3, and as you can see we just have some mount plate, and it looks like empty box. This 6 years ago. It has bunch of stuff inside of the box. It has camera, it has underwater recording box, and it has some remote, even underwater remote. Separate price maybe $700, and it's awesome. It's awesome gadget, and of course charger. For this remote, and it has a small separate hatch for outside recording. Everything this is not now. Not now. Now it's just camera itself, GoPro 7, and just this plate and this mount. It's bad. GoPro. You start become very bad. Ready? It's about 33% of charge. You can see this GoPro screen at my cell phone.
What we do here is go back.